Hey KK Squad, it's your girl Curly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Hopefully you guys can. Them draw foot people, just draw them foot in my video when them pass and don't draw them foot so we can finish talk. Anyways, this is what we do on Sundays. Just chill, just pass by the beach, see what's going on. Yeah, it's very busy out here. It's very busy. I have my sangria wine in my Yeti cup, just chilling out here. My boo, he went to go and walk on somewhere, gonna find a rest spot to be or something like that. So I'm just making this intro. Anyways, it's 6:08. So it's 6:08 and you know the sun will go down and dating, so it's not sunny out right now. And Florida, like when I got here, you know, some of the clip where people don't be wearing their mask, bro. I wear my mask even though I'm social distancing because I don't really walk on the strip and mix it with the people. Not against anybody, but it is what it is, you know. Bikers, they might roll out on the Sunday. Enough for them, enough for them. Watch it. Mashallah girl up on the back. I catch them from all angles. Damn. Let's do 2 stunts for me.
No, you good. Good, I'm actually.
Yo, what do I do with the traffic? Everybody that do for the yeah. They might
catch your light. Well,
yo, the bikers and they might try to come out there.
No, they might try to go there. At the beach, they might go.
They going to the beach. I'll see y'all at the beach.
Oh, somebody will get about their car.
Really? I'm going to catch a scap at them this time. The last 6 times, I never catch them. Florida life. The person I know for doing it. Like they're one girl. Like they're nervous.
Oh, some more bikers.
Or they might link up with more bikers. Listen. Florida, all in Florida, you see them stuff here.
Smoking too.
You're smoking?
If my brother man, I'm a banger, I pick up diet when I'm a client. Yeah,
listen, it's only Sunday and it's so busy. It's not as busy as how it usually is, and it's only Sunday. So can you imagine like a Friday night, a Friday evening, or a Saturday evening? It's crazy out here, bro. It's crazy. Drop top them out. People just out here chilling on the beach.
We are going.
So now look at the yellow carrier that block up the traffic. Nice beach day. Oh, this mask. This is the mask he's talking about. Oh, okay. Wait, this name again, Ian? Oh, the Vendetta. I don't know what I'm going today. It's just a regular day in Florida. Listen, just because you know when the rain fall, everybody when the rain fall. But once This is the strip for Lauderdale. Further, people don't care to beach park. And they got your on the news. Oh, 4,000 more cases. I wonder why. This is Beach Place. It's so funny. If you tell them on the vlog, this is where we first met. Beach Place. On the beach. This is where we first met. So since I'm out here, might as well just walk over to the beach. Hey, you have the key? Close the door, come, we're passing the top well. Listen, you can tell when people come on the beach, because you see all of the seaweed them up here up on the sand. When nobody comes out here, the beach clean and pretty. But it is what it is. But not really here, but close the door. Not much crowd, you should probably be there right to start to look a spot here because people watching, it might be when they see man come back, they see him come back, him say, I'm come back, make them too, you shut up.
Exactly, and him.
What's so important about it? You're weird. But it's cap at them there. I don't want to see. This is for the life. See the bike, you see people on their riding their skates and skate shoes and all the nice cars driving past, playing music. This is the bridge. If you want to cross over, you don't have to cross the street, you just take a bridge and you just take it right over the hotel here we call Westin. Walk in the strip and walk past Karen and her husband. On him Trump supporter, like, yeah, I'm a Trump supporter, I want the world to know. Me show now again. Yep.
Okay, well, put me on Facebook. I'm a joke. You two assholes.
Hot girls in Florida. A JetBlue just now, right? See how fast them plane there go, watch it. Yo, that JetBlue here is huge. That one is bigger than the one we just had to take off. Just
That
this.
same car there?
Yeah.
That's the same car that was there the other day.
Whoa. Yo, the camera not doing it justice, but this plane is huge. This is a nice spot for kids too. Kids love this little spot because them love to see when the plane a take off. But look at this. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in and show them. Like just being here in person, it's more, you know? Go through it. It's about to take off. Oh, so today is JetBlue day. Like one time will come, a BA Spirit will take off my land. Now a BA JetBlue means this is the third JetBlue. What is up to the KK squad? Be your vibes and that is be your vibes and that is hey. Be your vibes and yeah, this one took forever. Maybe after too much luggage on it. Or too much fat or the pilot fat. So it take long to take off. Oh, we both wearing grey shirts. Oh, you follow me, come and put on my grey first. Every time we always end up in the same color everywhere we go. Why? Because you keep following me. It's a little quiet here. The bag of excitement now going right here, so like the beach, because this is just a little secret spot. Not too much people know about it. Like I said, it's just a chill Sunday. Just chilling. So what you just heard? People at the tower talk to the pilots. They are communicating with each other, letting each other know what's going on in the air, as I was taught by my boo, because he's in aviation. So yeah, that'll go on the ear. Meanwhile, we there ground. To the left, to the left, to the right, to the right. Am I playing a land? Tell me now. So guys, don't mind my hair because I just washed my hair.
I'm trying to make an outro, but these people coming with these music. Anyways, don't mind my hair because I just washed it. When I was rinsing out the conditioner, I just put it in a ponytail and just head on. So now it dry, so it look no products. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. We're currently at the gas station getting some gas. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, please remember to like this video, make that thumbs up below, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye!